I got this 2023 Tesla Model 3. I'm going to show you how to work the cruise control because it can be kind of confusing if you've never used it before. So this right here is what you're going to be using. This is the shifter, but you can see below the D is the cruise control symbol. So what we're going to do is we're going to push down on this to set it. So it's at 78 right now. Push down and it's set. It says max 78. So if we want to change the max and go faster, we're going to use this and we're going to go up. So now my max is at 85. If we want to go down, we can put it down to 80. And then if we want to go right and left, that changes the distance behind a car where it's going to slow down. So right now we're not going to do that much distance. We'll leave it at a 2. If we want to make it bigger, we'll leave it at 5. I like to leave it at about a 3. So that's how you do it. If you're driving with the cruise control on, you can start pushing the gas if you want to pass someone or something like that, and then when you let go of the gas, it's going to go back onto cruise control. It's going to go back to 80. And then also, if we're looking at it like this, if you go up on it, it's going to turn cruise control off. And again, if you go down on it, if you press the shifter down, it's going to turn cruise control on. That's how you do it. Hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.